Smiling during good times is ordinary. Smiling during tough times is extraordinary. Some of the biggest countries and empires in the world have gone through revolutions that have permanently changed the social and political scenario. And rightly so, revolutions have the power to change. Kozhikode-born Dr. Verghese Kurien spearheaded the White Revolution in India. He helped put India on the map with Operation Flood, the world's largest dairy development program, and made dairy a self-sustaining industry. The dairy income is today the third of all rural income. With exploitation of dairy farmers rampant by dealers and middlemen, farmers sought a permanent solution. Dealing with corruption and unfair trade practices was not what farmers wanted to deal with. The revolution started under the then Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and initiated by Tribhuvan Das Patel, who brought in Dr. Verghese Kurien. He started the association to enable dairy as a product to reach the consumers, and the way the organization was structured and operated is a showcase of business model innovation. The White Revolution started in the 1970s. The Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, with a combination of other cooperatives, launched Amul. They operated under a cooperative framework. Their facility included a lot of machineries along with a pasteurization plant. The milk that reaches the stations are from farmers of the associated unions and verified agencies. Amul has over 3.2 million dairy farmers as providers. Their milk collecting procedure is an example again for process innovation. They innovated to make their operations cost-effective. They collect milk using a three-tiered cooperative structure. A dairy cooperative at the village level is affiliated with milk unions at the district level, which is in turn federated to a milk federation at the state level, ensuring swiftness in operations to cater to several millions of consumers. This is a case study of supply chain with their market positioning of C2C model, cow to consumer, innovation in itself. What brought smiles to millions of Indians and Amul's employees was the creation of the Amul Girl, the brand's mascot. It has used the Amul Girl in the longest running brand campaign with an element of humor in its print ads. Its old advertisement features in the list of best Indian ads made. How can we forget? Utterly, butterly, delicious. It brings a smile on our face even now. Their product innovation included processing buffalo milk to make milk products instead of cow's milk, which was in short supply at that time. Their competitors made milk products using cow's milk, and they had initially shot back saying Amul's idea would not work. Today's Amul's butter and ice creams are cash cows for the company. This model, called the Anand Pattern, was replicated by other dairies in India while Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri was in office. His billion-liter idea was brought into force. Amul innovated further to bring out a diversified portfolio of products and have been able to cater to the needs of all segments. The sheer determination and a little extra hard work of Dr. Kurien and others who supported him not only broke the hegemony of selfish companies but also brought farmers and workers to smile when times were tough. The best part that Amul's model is replicable in any industry and at any level. Smiling during good times is ordinary. Smiling during tough times is extraordinary.